Hello viewers, what's up? I'm Shimala and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make halwa stuffed puris with Phirni. Halwa stuffed puris is one unique comfort food. So today I'll show you how to knead a dough for a crispy puris and how to make a perfect halwa. So let's see the process. So guys, first I'm gonna make the halwa. If you add one full coconut, you can make 25 puris out of it. Today I am using only half coconut. In half coconut you can make 15 to 16 puris. So let's begin the process. In a pressure cooker add 50 grams of washed and soaked chana dal. Add half cup water. And now close the lid. And pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles until chana dal becomes soft. And next step is to add washed and chopped coconut into a blender. Add little water. Close the lid and blend it to a fine paste. Next, I am adding 50 grams of cashews and 50 grams of almonds together. Add little water and blend it to a fine paste. And now you can see chana dal is pressure cooked and soft. Now let's blend this also. In a non-stick pan, add chana dal paste. Add coconut paste along with it. Then add cashew and almond paste. Add little food color. Goes in 2 cups of sugar. And now I'm going to put it on gas stove. Mix this nicely and cook this for at least 30 to 45 minutes on medium-high heat. Mix this constantly until it becomes thick. So guys, 30 to 45 minutes हो चुके हैं. Then we have to check if the halwa is ready. For that you should take some water in a bowl. Drop a little halwa in that water. If the halwa gets dissolved in the water, that means the halwa is not ready. If it doesn't dissolve, then your halwa is ready. Now you can switch off the flame, transfer it in a plate and bring it to room temperature. Next step is to knead the dough to make perfect crispy puris. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar and some water. Mix nicely until sugar and salt dissolves. In a bowl add 2 cups of maida and 1 cup wheat flour, and to this I am adding 1/4 cup hot oil. Mix this nicely by using spatula. Once it cools down, use your hands to mix the dough. And next add water gradually to knead the dough. Knead it till it becomes stiff dough. The puri dough should not be too soft, it should be smooth and stiff. And now rest it for 30 minutes till halwa comes into room temperature. After 30 minutes, take the dough out and knead again for a minute. Now divide the dough into small equal balls. And now place 1 ball of dough on work surface. Dust some flour on it. And now roll it nicely. It should be thin to that your palm should be visible. And now add 1 tablespoon halwa. Place it in the middle of the puri. Apply water on one side as directed. And now gently fold the puri as directed. Cut out the extra dough and now pinch with your fingers to seal the puri, or you can also use fork as well. to seal the puri. तो गाइस पूरी हमारी तैयार हो चुकी है एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस दिस पूरी ऑन अ कॉटन क्लॉथ. So guys, puris should not be closed. It should be kept free under the fan for at least 15 minutes. And now let's make phirni. Add half liter milk. Bring it to boil. Goes in 1/4 cup soji. Keep stirring while you add soji. Mix it nicely and cook for a minute. And now I am adding half cup sugar. Mix well till sugar dissolves and then switch off the flame. And next I am adding 1 tablespoon rose water. Mix well and set this aside. Now let's fry puris. I am using 1 liter oil to fry the puri. Make sure the oil is very hot. Then you go on with frying the puris. After dropping a puri in a hot oil, keep pouring the oil on top as you can see how I am doing. Fry this till it becomes golden brown and crispy. And now take out the halwa stuffed puri and keep it on a strainer. After frying all the puris, keep the puris under the fan till it comes to room temperature. Only then the puris will be crispy and they will remain crisp for a long time. Once it comes to room temperature, close it in an airtight container, or if you don't have airtight container, you can cover it with a cotton cloth as well. As now you can see the crisp of the puri and halwa is also perfect. So guys, halwa stuffed puri with phirni is ready to serve. This is the best combo. This is how I make a halwa stuffed puri and phirni. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. You can serve either ways, hot or cold, but I prefer cold puris dipped in phirni. So guys, make this at your home and enjoy with your family and friends. Follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen and do like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing and interesting recipes. Take care and have a nice day.